Look at this. Did you see that scratch? Yeah. So I'm just leaving work. It's 5:06 on Friday. It's Friday, guys. Yeah, so hold on, there's tons of people. It's hot up in here. Okay, so I just chill in my car on my lunch hour unless I have to go somewhere. So I'm talking to Angel and I walk out to my car, obviously, and I see a scratch on it, which is what you guys saw at the beginning of the video. Cool, right? So it definitely didn't happen at my work because I park in the way back, like the way back where there's no cars around. And yeah, it totally didn't happen at go. Nope. So yeah, it didn't happen at my work because, like I said, I park in the way back where there's nobody around me. Yeah, I do pull back into the parking spot, but I don't know. It didn't happen at my work. I know it didn't. I didn't see it yesterday because I walked out, parked in the same spot, parked the same way, and I didn't see it yesterday. So, yesterday after work, I went from work to home, and then this morning home to work, and then I saw it when it was parked at work. So it had to have happened at my complex. And you know, this is the second vehicle within the last 2 months that has been hit in my complex, because Angel's truck got hit last month or the month before. Somebody backed up into it, and his is way worse than mine. His has a nasty dent in it, and it's just ridiculous. Like, come on. We work hard to have these vehicles. If you hit it, like, have the common courtesy or have the decency to just leave a note or let management know, hey, I hit this car, here's my information, whatever. But no. And then with Angel's truck, like, his is bad enough that it has to go to a body shop to get fixed, and it's going to be $800 to fix it. Like, it's just ridiculous, and it's not enough for insurance to cover it with our deductible. And mine, like, I'm not even going to take it in. I'm pretty sure Angel can just buff it out, so he's probably just going to do that. But it's just the point. It's the principle, and it sucks. And it's stupid, and karma's gonna fucking get you. Yeah. So rant over, because if I continue to talk about it, it's just gonna irritate me even more than it already has. And it's Friday. I'm gonna go have a drink and then just chill with Angel and the 2 cats and just have a good weekend and not worry about it, and just let karma get whoever did this in the ass. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Why is it so dark in here?
So dark in the movie?
Look at you guys.
Why are you showing me? I don't want to be filmed.
Hi, gummies. What? Can you say hi to the vlog?
Oh, say hi to your vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. We're going hiking. Look how pretty.
It's gonna be hot in your mouth.
Hot? Yeah. Oh, I should probably take my jacket off. Whatever. What are you looking at?
Lock your vehicles.
Oh, yeah.
So those bikes coming in?
Yeah, I saw the bikes. Oh my god, this hill. Wait till you go up higher. Look at that truck. Look at that sexy beast.
It's probably the first time he's been on dirt, really.
Look at that sexy beast. But yeah, you should totally tell her that I'll help with that. I thought she said she was gonna have to. I know, it was crazy, huh? Gotta be in really, really good shape. That's for sure. We just came all the way from the bottom of that hill. You can't really see it from there, but it was pretty tough. Especially when you're out of shape. But we did it. And it's pretty cool because the trail leads to the, yeah, the dam. So like water. At least some of the stuff's green. It wasn't green last time we came. Yeah, we've had some rain since the last time we've been up here. See? Does it? Yeah. See the water. It is, yeah. Totally, yeah. Yeah, that was difficult. And I did that in a jacket, which usually I couldn't. It's really good. Home stretch. Home stretch, there's the car. We made it. We did it. That was like an hour, right? Because it was 11 when we left my mom's. And it's 12 now. Yeah. We made it. We made it. We made it. Oh. Oh my gosh, look how red my face is. We finished the hike. It was good, but I'm not filming you.
You did film me, I saw it.
I'm just talking to you.
I don't want to be
The
filmed.
camera's only on me. Oh my god, my face is so red. Is it just red from the hike, or do you think a little bit sunburned too?
No, it's good.
But yeah, it totally wasn't that bad. It was, I can't even hold my, it was the uphill stuff. The uphill stuff is what was pretty difficult, but other than that, it was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I talking? Do I need to talk?
Yeah, tell him.
No, it's good. Of course it's hard.
It was hard because we're just getting like back into it. And green means go. Green means go. Live in California and people still don't know how to drive. But yeah, it was good. There was a nice little breeze, which makes it easier because it's not as hot. But yeah, now we're just gonna go back home and chill and make some breakfast. Not even breakfast, lunch, because we didn't eat breakfast. We left the house at like what, 9? Like 9:30. Went to my mom's house for a little bit, and then we went hiking, and now it's 12 o'clock, so go home and make some food. finished doing my makeup and got dressed. And about 20 minutes ago, he told me to start getting ready because we're going to go over to my mom's house. And he decided to fall asleep. So, let's go wake him up.
We could write it, Brian. After we're done with this, we could write it.
Why'd you wake up?
What are you doing? Y'all fuck with me, bro? You can't fuck with me, bro. I'm the prank king, bitch. You can't fuck with me, bro.
I was gonna tickle your ear.
You got these cat-like reflexes, my nigga. You can't fuck with me. You can't fuck with me. Oh my god.
Not tonight, Chris.
No, he said he was ready to go. It might stick a little glue on there just to toughen up that hand. He had a pad on it in the last game, and he felt like that messed with his grip a little bit on the football. So
Journey and Def Leppard in Sacramento, October 4th.
Last year he's run out by Jenkins, and there'll be a first down on a gain of 15 yards.
yeah, it's kind of interesting to see that Jenkins is going to be on White. Watch this in and out route here. It is the quickness of the New England Patriots at the wide receiver position that has taken them in many ways to so many of these championships.
To the line quickly, set up a screen, but a flag is down. That's James White making the grab. Might have been 12 guys on the defense. It seems to be the initial call from Gene Steratore. Brady's so good at creating those situations.
Defense, 12 men on the field at the stop.